Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, how are you? How are
Hi,
you?
ma'am.
Fine. Okay, good. So, already you know the topic, all of you? All of you know the topic, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. So,
Ma'am.
now yeah.
But when I was searching for the references, I just confused between the mission Shakti, uh, which is in, which is
related to satellites and women empowerment.
that's why I don't know what to speak.
So, who knows this one very well about this mission Shakti? It is an Indian missile test. Okay, anti-satellite.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yes, ma'am. That's DRDO conducted.
Yes. DRDO conducted. This is a very good topic. And I think you people are of science branch. I think this is a very good topic for you people to discuss about. So I will start with whom first? First who will?
Can I?
Okay, Srishti, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is Mission Shakti. On 27th March 2019, India tested an anti-satellite weapon during an operation code named Mission Shakti. The target of the test was a satellite present in a lower Earth's orbit, which was hit with a kinetic kill vehicle. This was a technological mission carried out by DRDO. The test was successful and achieved all parameters as per plans. The test required an extremely high degree of precision and technical capability. The significance of the test is that India has tested and successfully demonstrated its capability to interdict and intercept a satellite in outer space based on complete indigenous technology. The test was done to verify that India has the capability to safeguard our space assets. With this test, India joins an exclusive group of spacefaring nations consisting of USA, Russia, and China. Since our neighboring countries, especially China, have acquired the capability of destroying satellite, so in order to protect India's interest, Mission Shakti was necessary. India has no intention of entering into an arms race in outer space. India believes that outer space is the common heritage of humankind and it is the responsibility of all spacefaring nations to preserve and promote the benefits flowing from advances made in space technology and its applications for all. The test was not directed against any country, and India's space capabilities do not threaten any country, nor they are directed against anyone. It was only to protect the sovereignty of India. Thank you.
Very good, Srishti. Next, Shubhashini. Shubhashini. Shubhashini, where are you? Right now you have entered.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's speak.
Okay, ma'am. Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am. Is the youth of India confident or confused? Youth of a youth of our country determine the future of nation. This plays a great role in nation building. According to me, the youth of India are more confused than confident. In Indian society, people have manipulative mind. From childhood, they are manipulated to choose which career option is better for them. They are said that they can do whatever they want to, but eh, in so many career options, they are manipulated to choose either engineering or medical. In an Indian family, singing, dancing could only be a hobby, not a career. There are only there are many youths who still don't know what they actually wanted to do. After pursuing engineering for 2 years, they get to know they are more interested in marketing. But due to lack of job opportunities, many people are forced to do whatever job they get. They have to do it. Also, many people in the society have the mindset that if you are from a rich family, then you will have to work in the highly paid job, whereas if you are from poor family, then you can do any kind of job. Thank you, ma'am.
okay. Next, Shivam Bit.
Hello.
Yeah, Shivam.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. I'm going to speak on Mission Shakti.
Very good.
In the changing current scenario of the world, war and any sort of aggression is common. Also, the daily procurement of more and more defense-related weapons and vehicles is a clear indication that the world is turning hostile and vulnerable. In such a situation, for a country like India, who has its neighbor as its enemies, it's not a surprise that it might create a havoc in future. This is the major reason that led us to Mission Shakti. So Mission Shakti is a program under which an anti-satellite missile was tested by our defense agency DRDO on March 27, 2019. From APJ Abdul Kalam Island Launch Complex, it was tested with ballistic missile by destroying an Indian satellite in the lower space. After ASAT's success, India ranks as the fourth nation to have ASM technology after US, Russia, and China. To ensure the safety and security of
One
our
minute.
country.
1 minute.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is this ASM technology? Can you say me?
That's anti-satellite missile.
Yeah. Whenever you will speak, na, please don't say the abbreviated form.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
To ensure the safety and security of our country, DRDO is striving hard and smart. At war zone, anti-satellite missiles can be used to destroy the military satellites and jam communication of the enemies. It can be used to access information about troops and movement of incoming missiles. Although India has anti-satellite missiles, but it's unused yet. We should know that India supports UNGA resolution of 69/32 on no first placement of weapons on outer space. Along with this, India has signed almost all the peace treaties that ensures that it is not interested in weaponization of the outer space. It's just to specify that India has the ability to safeguard our space assets, and it also enhances our India's national security. Thank you, ma'am.
What is this UNGA?
That's a treaty, ma'am. That was signed.
No, United Nations General Assembly. UNGA is a United
ma'am.
Nations General Assembly. So while when you will speak, don't speak in a short form. Please speak the evidence. Don't do the abbreviation form you have to speak, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Shiva, very good. Very clearly you have told everything.
Thank you.
Next, I will come to have not for the chance I have written those names. Priyanka's got chance. Ariana. So, Pankaj Kumar. Pankaj Kumar. Pankaj Kumar, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pankaj. Say.
Ma'am, I am not prepared, ma'am.
You have not prepared, then just prepared. Previous class
What, ma'am?
also you have not told. Have you prepared for the previous class?
Ma'am, I was not attended this class, ma'am.
You have not attended that class. Okay. Very good. Nice to hear you. So, उसका पहले वाला का class? उसका पहले वाला का class आपने attend किया था?
पता नहीं, मैम.
आपको पता नहीं है हार्ड वर्क स्मार्ट वर्क, क्योंकि इसमें भी आप नहीं बोले हो, आपका नाम इसमें भी नहीं है, ठीक है? तो आज हमको जिसका जिसका नाम नहीं दिखा हम उसके से पूछ रहे हैं. आई एम आस्किंग टू दोस पीपल्स. So right now you prepare. I am putting you in a waiting room. You just prepare.
Ma'am, ma'am, I am preparing today's topic.
Huh?
I'm preparing today's topic.
Okay, you prepare fast. I will come to you at 9:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we come to you at 9:30. What happened, Anjali Chaudhary? Yeah, Anjali, what happened? You raise your hand. Anjali will speak right now. Because before this class, you have also not spoken. Anjali, go ahead. Anjali. So I think Anjali has left the class. Binit Singh. This guy is also in.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Binit.
Can I start?
Yeah, you can.
A very bright and
When I
blossom
have
morning.
told that I will ask one by one, see the attendance. It is just become from 37 to 32. And I will mark them definitely. That's why I enable this waiting room. And I will also share the screen with you the who have given the attendance. Okay, go ahead, Vinit.
A very bright and blossom morning to everyone. This is Vineet Singh here, and today I am going to discuss about the youth of India, confident and confused. As we all know, near about 70% of the youngsters nowadays are confused with their careers, jobs, streams, studies, and near about everything. Youngsters are nowadays ex- youngsters nowadays are even not comfortable in sharing their problems with their parents, teachers, and even not to their friends also. As we are talking about youth, we can't forget about mobile phones, internet, social media. These are the diversion because they waste their time in these things rather than focusing on their career. So now coming back to our topic, some of us are confused because most of the students are studying the subjects which is followed by most of the youths and also forced by their guardians. But some of us are very confident as well as clear because they have chosen a path in which they are genuinely interested. Now, moving towards the conclusion, the youngsters are confident in starting their career, but as the time passes, their ambition get changed due to several reasons like not securing good marks, got fail, less marks, and many more reasons. So, according to me, each and every student should choose their path in their field they are interested without getting pressurized by their parents, teachers, and without thinking about the society. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Aniket Kumar Raj, are you present? Aniket Kumar Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Janki Mahato? Janki Mahato? Rohit Kumar Bauri? Rohit Kumar Bauri? Abdul Kalam is there. Ajay Kumar?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Manish Kumar Rajat? Manish Kumar Rajat?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Neeraj Niranjan is there. Parmeshwar Yadav? Ranu? Ranu Chandra? This girl is present in the class. Srishti, Ranu was present or absent? Srishti?
प्रेजेंट बोला मैम उसने.
Absent.
Ranu was present. And this Safi की अंजुमन? उसको तो कभी आज तक हमने देखा ही नहीं है. Who is this girl? Vanshaj? Vivek Kumar
Present,
Nayan?
ma'am.
Yeah, Vivek Kumar Nayan? Abhay Kumar Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Vivek
Present, ma'am.
Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Khushbu Kumari? Rohit is there. Okay. Next. Next time we come to Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. Speak.
Visam Shakti. 27 March 2009.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like you called Manish Kumar Rajak, he said I, ma'am. Instead of I, can we use me, ma'am?
Yeah, I and me both are in singular now. Singular pronoun है दोनों ही.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are singular pronoun.
Thank you.
I, me, mine. It can be replaced. Okay,
Which
next.
would be most appropriate, ma'am?
Everything will be. 3 will be applicable. It's mine turn. Yeah, it's mine. For object, it's mine. Okay, Manish Kumar Rajak, please go ahead. Yeah.
27 March 2019 was memorable day of India's defense because this day our country achieved a great aim in defense. That day, DRDO destroyed a world satellite by anti-satellite missile. It was very difficult to do it because no any country helped to develop this technology. But our scientists made this technology very easily. Before 27 March 2019, only America, Russia, and China had this technology. Our government is very careless to our scientists because our government don't give any military service. That's
Okay. Next time come to you, Sumiran Kumar. Sumiran Kumari, sorry. Sumiran Kumari. Sumiran Kumari. Hey, Rohit Shao Chaudhary, who is this boy? Yeah, Sumiran Kumari, please go
Electrical
ahead.
branch.
Ah, okay, leave it. Name is not here. Okay, next. Sumiran Kumari. वही तो देखो how much loyal you people are. Not attending the class and giving the attendance. Wow, very good. That's why I've shared the screen. You people just see. Okay, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sumiran Kumari, and today's topic is Mission Shakti. On 27th March 2019, India tested an anti-satellite weapon during an operation codenamed Mission Shakti. Mission Shakti is a joint program of the Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Space Research Organization. The target of the test
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
The target of the test was a satellite present in a low Earth orbit, which was hit with a kinetic vehicle. In doing so, India has become the fourth country after the US, Russia, and China to acquire the capability of space warfare. This includes navigation system, communication networks, broadcasting, banking system, disaster management, etc. Destroying a satellite would render these applications useless. It can cripple enemy infrastructure without causing any threat to the human lives. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Saroj Kumar. Saroj Kumar.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, on March 27, 2019, India conducted Mission Shakti, an anti-satellite missile test from the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island Launch Complex. This was a technology mission carried out by DRDO. The satellite used in the mission was one of India executing satellite operating in lower orbit. The test was fully successful and achieved all parameters as per plans. The test required an extremely high degree of precision and technical capability. The significance of the test is that India has tested and successfully demonstrated its capability to interact and intercept a satellite in outer space based on complete indigenous technology. With this test, India joined an exclusive group of space firing nation conducting of USA, Russia, and China. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Completed, ma'am.
yeah. Danish. Danish. See, again he left the class. Ayush Anand.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Ayush.
Good morning, very fresh good morning to everyone.
Yeah.
Today I'm going to present the topic Mission Shakti. Defense Research Development Organization, that is DRDO, successfully neutralized the satellite in space with its anti-satellite missile on 27th March 2019. In Mission Shakti, the successful mission demonstrated DRDO technical powers and ability to defend the country's assets in space. The fourth dimension of warfare. The mission was the most complex operation undertaken by the DRDO, in which a missile launched had to hit and neutralize with the pinpoint accuracy and fast-moving satellite in orbit of 100 kilometers away. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Next, Ajay Kumar.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My topic is the youth of India confident or confused? The current youth, the things which comes in our mind are mobile phones, internet, Wi-Fi, social media, brand, shortcut, money, competition, comfort. Above mentioned all entities are the part of the current youth. These are the diversion because of they think about all the above things instead of career. Confidence and confused happen when a person is thinking about the particular thing. Gives time for the same, but what's happening here is mobile phone with an internet connection is more important than anything else. We should not deviate from the topic. Our matter of concern is current youth of India are confident or confused. According to me, today's youth is confused and confident work. They're confused because they are not able to decide their field for a career. Many of the youth have left their field of interest because of high competition and social pressure like dancing, acting, playing games, etc. So now they have many same fields to choose for their career. But except this, they are much confident that they can do anything. Now, I want to say that today's youth will much confident if provide them better information and analysis between all fields of jobs from which they can relate their field of interest, along with they can choose one better field for themselves. Actually, many people don't know where they are going on the right path or just a robot. I really think the youth of India is confused about themselves, and many of them are literate, but just for sake of the name. Every youth should have a fire or doing something for the country. And every Indian should know what was India and how to make it prosperous, beautiful again. I think if our goal is fixed, then within some years, the ratio will be reversed. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next. Where's she gone? Yeah, she was Ayush Kumar from electrical department.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ayush.
So my topic is the youth of India confident or confused? First, I would like to start with a quote by Franklin D.
Hey, one
Roosevelt.
minute. Why Ayush? Ayush Kumar, you raised your hand. Why?
I'm raised. Where, ma'am?
Okay.
सॉरी मैम वो हो गया था.
Okay, okay. Go ahead, Ayush.
We cannot always build a future for our youth, but we can always build our youth for the future. The youth of the country are the greatest resource. They are the dreamers of the tomorrow, the protagonists of the future, the inheritors and the creators of the world to come. For a developing nation like India, with a vast populace divide among all the groups, the youth is even more important as they will have an important role in building the nation and changing it from a developing to a developed economy. So the question is the youth of India confident or confused? Well, in my opinion, categorizing a demographic segment as a vast as youth into either a confident or a confused is an exercise in futility. Since every individual is different and such broad sweeping sentence do not do much beyond stereotyping people. Argument can be made that the youth is confused, but the similar argument can be made that they are confident as well. In the end, it's a matter of perspective and a matter of belief. The youth, I would say, is equally confident and confused. There are many students who are confused about what path to take in life after high school years and after high school years are done. The result of lack of career and guidance and proper counseling in the schools. Then there are others who are confident in their abilities, have done well throughout their academic years, and want to take the next step in the international education or job, but confused whether they will get their money worth and appropriate return on investment. Despite being confident in their abilities, they are unsure whether external factors will work in their favor, because if they don't, all their confidence and hard work will be for naught.
Can you see your attendance? Wait. Can you people see your attendance? Abhay Kashyap, you people think
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just people mark. Okay. आप लोग सोचते you people just mark your attendance over here.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have marked but not showing here, ma'am, my attendance.
When?
Ma'am, 5 minutes before.
5 minutes before. When you have attended the class?
Ma'am, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. What name yours?
Pankaj Kumar. ma'am.
Pankaj Kumar. 5 minutes you have, if you're saying na, then it must be showing. Then it must be showing. Okay.
Ma'am, in your is still not showing, ma'am. In your is still not showing, ma'am.
Where here?
Yes, ma'am. When you are
still now not showing? Can you see the screen or not?
wait, ma'am. Wait.
Huh?
1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
In which sheet you are? Pankaj Kumar Sahu, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Now
it's showing
ma'am.
here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Rohit
Ma'am, mine,
Rajwar.
ma'am.
Please speak.
Ma'am,
Rohit
excuse
Rajwar,
me, ma'am.
please speak.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Who is having
Ma'am,
problem?
21st. Yes, ma'am. Mine attendance problem, ma'am.
Whose?
Of 21st May.
Whose?
Aniket, ma'am.
Aniket. Okay, I will see. You have attended the class.
Yes, ma'am. But it's showing question mark.
Okay. Okay, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good
Ma'am,
morning.
my topic Mission Shakti. Defense Research and Development Organization
Hmm.
successfully neutralized a satellite in space with its anti-satellite AS-80 missile on 27 March 2019. in Mission Shakti.
Hmm.
The successful mission demonstrated DRDO technical power and ability to defend country in space, the fourth dimension of warfare. Thank you, ma'am.
That much?
Yeah, ma'am.
That much only?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Go ahead with this. Definitely you will get success one day. For attendance, you have joined the class. I know it very well. Next, Shamshad Alam. Hey, who is having problem? Aniket.
Yes, ma'am. 21st May.
21st May. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Aniket, go ahead.
Of topic, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Myself, Aniket. I'm going to speak on Mission Shakti. So, what is it? What is Mission Shakti? Mission Shakti is a joint program of Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Space Research Organization. As part of the mission, an anti-satellite weapon was launched and target an Indian satellite which had been decommissioned on 27th March
Aniket.
2019.
1 minute. Aniket, can you see
ma'am.
here?
Wait, ma'am. One second.
This is your name?
Yes, ma'am. मैम वो गूगल आ रहा है मैम गूगल आ रहा है मैम आपका
What Google आ रहा है
स्क्रीन पे
स्क्रीन पे गूगल आ रहा है how it will possible I don't know how it is possible you are saying that Google आ रहा है
मैम क्रोम खुला हुआ है मैम
क्रोम खुला हुआ है
मैम इट्स अ ग्लिच
एंड आपने ब्लू सर्कल किया और अभी कच्छप ने एक वो डॉट खींचा है मैम
still it's showing like this
yes ma'am it's still showing Google Chrome
now
ma'am it's happening due to network issue
okay
no it's not
okay go ahead with you I've seen his name I have the screenshot with me okay that's why no problem
okay ma'am
okay go ahead
so,
fast
and with this golden success India achieved its specialized and modern capability and entire fight is
Aniket can you see now
yes ma'am 1 second yes ma'am
now this is your name Aniket
yes,
Maharaj
yes ma'am
of 21st
20
here is the date 21st
yes ma'am
this is the time okay
yes ma'am
so your attendance is here with me no worry
okay ma'am
okay like that I have everyone attendance so don't take tension you mark
yes,
your attendance I have the original attendance with me
okay ma'am
okay
hello ma'am
yeah
ma'am
okay
so,
now stop I don't want to listen anything more than that if you are present you will be marked if you are not then go ahead now Prabhakar Gupta last to you first Prabhakar Gupta Prabhakar Gupta first Neeraj Niranjan Neeraj Niranjan
present ma'am
yeah speak
ma'am hello
yeah hello
ma'am I haven't prepared on this topic ma'am
which topic you have prepared? Go ahead with this
ma'am on that smart city project
okay please speak
actually smart city is launched in 2015 by government of India under this project 100 cities are selected to make it smart this project is handled by Union